It's time for the July 2024 Gardenside Chat. We have one topic, and it was actually asked of me in person. And the question is hydroponic gardening for vegetables easier than growing vegetables in soil? My first thought is that hydroponics is probably physically easier than gardening in soil. There are different forms that gardening in soil could take. You're talking elevated beds, raised beds, which are on the ground, but there's wood or some sort of framing around it. You can grow directly in the soil, or container gardening, for example. With hydroponics, there is no need to haul around bags of compost, soil, or fertilizers. There is a growing medium that's used to set the plants in, and the fertilizers are liquid-based. Hydroponics require a lot of upfront cost to build the watering system, electrical system, the clean-out system, etc. There's a limit on what you can grow with hydroponics. Root vegetables obviously are not possible with hydroponics. Gardening in soil requires upfront cost as well. If you're using elevated beds, raised beds, containers, that type of thing, you need to buy the soil either in bags or by bulk. Compost, fertilizers, the same thing. You would also need the building materials, may be necessary. If you're going to have the beds like mine, you would need to have some sort of lumber, plastic, concrete, whatever it is that you're using. So there is that cost as well. Something good about soil gardening is if you have the space, you can recycle your vegetable scraps, that type of thing. If you have a lawn, you can cut grass, you could turn that into compost and use that right back in your bed so that things don't go to waste that way. So what's easier to garden? That depends on how much space you have, your physical abilities to move soil, to turn the soil, and what you want to grow. So if you're looking to do lettuces and light type of plants, you can do hydroponic gardening. If you want to do root vegetables, large bushes, that type of thing, you're going to need to have a soil garden. So I thank you very much for that question. If you want to see something for August, you can put it in commentary, you can email me, send a fax, it's all good. I thank you very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember what? I still don't have an exit line yet, so see you later, everybody.